Hi guys, welcome back to our Wix Harmony series. Previously, we've learned how to add a logo using Wix Harmony's Logo Maker. Today, we're going to learn how to customize our logos in case you want to make any updates or changes to it. Let's get started. Click on your logo and click on Customize Logo. And on this small window, you'll have options to choose from. So you have the option to remove its background if in case it does have any background on it. But remember, you can only remove a background once from your logo. Moving on, you can also replace your logo with something else. It could be your own photo or whatever it is. Then you could open Logo Maker and customize your logo in the Logo Maker once again, which is what we are going to do in this video. So if in case you'd like to update the symbol that you have here or to make other changes such as its colors, its text design, you can do all of that here on the Logo Maker window. So let's say, for example, let's change its symbol to something else. Let's say, for example, we want to use this one. So let's click on it to add it here. And then you can remove the old symbol that you don't want to use anymore and replace it with the new one. And if you'd ever like to change its colors, you can do that by clicking on it. And from here, you'll have the options to change its colors. You can also adjust your text's curve if you want to. So basically, it's all up to you on how you would like this to look. Once you're done making all of the changes you need to make to your logo, click on Apply to Site, and you should see this confirmation. So once that's done, you can safely close this window, and you should see that your logo has successfully been updated. And that's it. Hope you guys found today's video of help. If you need more Wix tutorials, check out our channel and consider subscribing as well. Thanks so much for watching. We hope to see you guys in the next video.